Hello everyone, my name is Aryanto Rheyanaldy Saragih with NIM 202400801348, and I'm here to make a presentation about my product, that is Napinadar chicken. What is Napinadar chicken? Napinadar chicken or Manuk Napinadar in Batak is a typical Batak dish which is usually served at the curtain traditional parties. Usually served usually served when someone is experiencing joy, such as at the birth of the child, marriage, and when someone is about to go abroad. For the Batak people, Napinadar chicken has a philosophy, namely as means to offer prayers and can provide encouragement and blessings. By giving this dish to someone, it's hope that person will receive abundant health and blessings. There are product descriptions from Napinadar chicken. There is ingredients from Napinadar chicken. How to ingredients to make Napinadar chicken. First is chicken. Next is lime, salt, butter, ground spices, garlic, two ginger knuckles, yolk seasoning, red onion, a handful of andaliman, green seasoned pepper, coriander powder, and the others. There are ideal serving condition from for Napinadar chicken. There are two ideal serving condition. First is serve hot. Serve hot. The dish is best enjoyed hot, allowing the flavors to fully develop and totalize the taste buds. Second is fresh herbs. A sprinkle of fresh herbs adds a vibrant burst of aroma and freshness to the dish. There are a target market from this product of Napinadar chicken. First is adventurous foodies. From the adventurous foodies, those who appreciate bold flavors and are always on the lookout from new culinary experience. Second is ethnic cuisine enthusiasts, the people who appreciate authentic flavors and the tradition from around the world. There are four competitive advantages from this dish of Napinadar chicken. First is regional taste. Second is competitive price. Third is premium quality ingredients. And last is fast service. From this product of Napinadar chicken, we are make a marketing strategy. There are three marketing strategy that we have that I have. Sorry. First is social media. Second is influencer partnership. Third is targeted digital campaigns. From social media, engaging content on various platforms to build brand awareness and connect with potential customers. Second, from the influencer partnership, we are collaborating with food influencers to reach a wider audience and generate authentic reviews. Third is targeted digital campaigns, utilizing data-driven marketing strategies to reach the right audience with a personalized message. For the closing, Napinadar chicken is more than just a dish. It's a culinary journey that promises delight your sense. Join us. Let's join us this exciting adventure and experience the magic of flavor. That's all about my presentation. If I have a mistake in my word, I'm so sorry. Thank you.